2010 Chevy Camaro SS 6.2 liter V8. It's got long tube headers there, high flow cats. It's a kit, then 3-inch all the way back, and then they ordered some MBRPs axle backs, but they didn't fit, so we fixed them. We added 2 sleeves on there, 3-inch, one there, all the way out the back. Is it an MBRP full system? It's a complete system right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. It came out really beautiful. It's gonna sound like a beast. Go ahead. Is the sound decibels on it? Go ahead. Give it gas. Let's see the sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. 125. Go ahead and back it up. That rattled the wax in my ears. Sounds absolutely beautiful. Let me get you to park it over there if you don't mind. Or you want to take it down the road? Take it down the road and back. Chevy Camaro.
That's professional driving.
Go beast mode, don't disappoint. Did you hear me? Go beast mode, don't disappoint. '10 Chevy Camaro 6.2 liter.